So good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night, whenever you're watching this. For me it is good evening, 6 p.m. when you'll be watching this, but right now it's actually 8:30 in the morning and I'm about to start work. So it's good evening from me, but good morning to myself. As requested by many of you, I have done an updated lace braid curl for you, like a no heat curl video. This is the final product, and I'll show you through all the stages. I hope you enjoy. So this is day one. I've just got out of the shower, literally just roughly like put it up in a towel for about 5 minutes, I'd say that, yeah, 5 minutes I'd say. Just trying to find my hairbrush. Everything's in a box, in a carrier bag down here, because I have to put it away when I'm showing people around. So all I do for day one is keep my hair wet still. So it was literally, like I said, in the towel for 5 minutes. Brush it, and then you part it in down the middle. So you need 2 elastics. Part it down the middle. We'll put this side forward. So then you take one of your sides. I'm taking this side for instance. I've got a mirror here, oh you can tell, and I'm going to lace braid it. That's how I do my plaits normally. It has to be tight, so I'm taking a section of hair that can split into 3. One, 2, 3, and then I am just going to plait it like I would normally. It's got to be tight, so if it takes you 2 attempts, 3 attempts, 10 attempts, that's fine. It's just as long as your hair is wet. Okay. So I go under from this side, over from the front, and as I go over from the front, I pick up a bit of hair and put it into the bit that is now at the back. So, you know, I carry on doing that. So every bit that goes to the front of my head, maybe I should have brushed my hair a bit better. Every bit that goes to the front of my head is picked up and put in. Okay, now I'm at the bottom. Put my elastic in and make sure it's secure. So I'm going to do it about 4 or 5 times. You can see in mine I've got like loops and stuff like that. Right now I'm leaving it like that because what should I explain to you is you need to wash your hair in the evening for this to work for the 2 days ahead. So I'm just going to quickly just braid this side as well, and again it's still wet. Tomorrow morning when it comes to it, if your hair, like you worry about your hair, hairspray it now whilst it's wet, but mine I don't care, I'm staying at home, so tomorrow if it's falling out at the back it doesn't really matter, but it shouldn't. So I'm just going to quickly do this side the same. Okay, now I'm at the bottom again, pretty much equal. I'm just going to put this headband in. again, if you've got any wispy bits, whirly bits, don't worry about it. I just thought I'd tell you this. I don't know if it really matters, but I have had a bath, a shower, and washed my hair. I did 2 shampoos and 1 conditioner, and I used the Lush bar for both shampoos and then just normal coconut conditioner from Sainsbury's. But it's 5:30, so basically I'm gonna leave my hair like this now overnight, and tomorrow I'll probably come and tweak it a little bit, but I won't be doing much to it, but I'll show you that anyway tomorrow. But this is what I am like now for the rest of the evening, and yeah. Okay, so I've just literally got dressed, ready for work, in the next room, and this is what the hair looks like for me, which is pretty okay. And the only thing I do today and tonight pretty much is put grips in and take the grips back out after work, which I'm gonna do now, and then jump into office mode. Whoa. So grips, clips, bobby pins, whatever you want to call them. I normally just clip up this bit because this bit falls out a little, and the other side. And then I just look at what needs grips really. And I might just put some in place. There we go. I am ready for work. Now my hair, see, looks totally fine in like this for day 2. And now we're going to the office. That's day 2's hair. I'll be back later just to take grips out, but that's purely what you do. And then that's it. And we'll be back tomorrow. So it's bedtime now, and you can see my plaits are still in good form. They are all staying in. Obviously if you wanted to hairspray it again you could, but you don't have to. I don't. So I'm just taking my grips out and clips out now that I had in during the day, just so I don't sleep on them. And then I'm going to bed for the night, and I'll see you in the morning. So it is day 3 now, and it's time to take your plaits out, braids out. Let me get it forward. God, make a noise. You can see this girl slept amazing last night, and so she's got quite a lot of wispy bits, but you just take them out and undo them, obviously. On one side, same the other. And then just scrunch that bit just to make sure the top bit of the plait is out. And there is your hair. I normally just clip a bit back here. Just using a grip bobby pin. And this side. Just because that's where the ultimate frizz is, where I've slept. That is the hair. That's what it looks like. If you think, oh my god, I can't leave my hair that long, you can just put some dry shampoo into the roots, and just make sure it's not staying grey. You've blended it out a bit. Mine is totally fine like this, and I can probably leave it a good day or 2 like this, because my hair is actually not greasy. But anyway, they are, oh god, we've gone a bit. These are the final product of my crazy crimped curls, And I think the key to this is that you leave them in an extra day in the plait, and you have your hair literally just in the towel after you've washed it for like 5 minutes max. So your hair is proper wet still when you put it in. But yeah, this is them. Anyway, if you like what you see, please give this a thumbs up. Comment down below if you obviously love my hair like this, because people have asked for this tutorial. But if you would do your hair like this, it will work with short hair, long hair, even longer hair than I've got. But I'd love to see your creations of it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.